Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good night, and good evening. Okay, and welcome to TAOCHIS channel. This is Carrie, and today's video shooter is my partner, Sheldon. Okay, so what's the topics of today's videos? You could browse our previous videos, we have introduced procedurances, seat numbers, or fog lamps, stuff like that. Okay, so today's we got a new headlight retrofit accessories, DRL. Okay, and its full name is daytime running light lamps. It's okay, and this in this boxes. Okay, and later I will open these boxes to let me show you what this looks like. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is our daytime running light or lamps. Okay, so one pair of DRL package one boxes, and here's headlight lamps power supply. Okay, so this supply have four wires. One is positive power and a negative power, of course. And here's the turn signal wire and the headlight wires. It means when you open the headlights, this DRL will be fade or disappear, or it will change another colors. Okay, and let me show you how to connect it. Very easy, just like this. And for this DRL, it have 8 styles for your choice, and it have 3 lighting models. One is our DRL, daytime running light models, and the second model is turn signal. When you turn the left or right signal, it will change yellow colors. Okay, and the last one is the headlight models. You need to connect this wire. Yeah. So this is DRL, and later I will show you there's three types of lighting models for this DRL. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is today's the main topic, DRL, and which times and which colors you like, it's up to you. So today's our TAOCHIS video is coming to an end. Please looking forward to our next video. And this is Carrie and Sheldon. See you next video.